you miss our event today? We were here at Fort Bend Public Library. We're talking about how to get your business funded.
If you missed it, you missed out on so much. We gave a nonprofits part, we gave a grant part, and we have another workshop coming up in March 18th, which is Get Your Nonprofit Funded. So we're gonna go even deeper with nonprofit, what you can do with grants,
And how you manage how to get ready for grants and see where can you go to get more funding, not grant related.
We'll tell you the place later, so keep a lookout on our Eventbrite, our social medias, our TikTok, our YouTube, wherever we are.
Yeah. Don't miss the next one. You don't want to miss it.